Welcome to our channel. If you want to configure voicemail properly, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up visual voicemail and custom greetings. Step 1. Call your carrier's voicemail setup number, which is typically your own phone number or a special code. Dial *86 or hold the 1 key to access voicemail setup for most carriers. Step 2. Create a secure voicemail password when prompted during initial setup. Choose a PIN that's not easily guessed, but that you'll remember for accessing messages. Step 3. Record a personal greeting in your own voice instead of using the default generic message. Speak clearly and include your name so callers know they've reached the correct person. Step 4. Enable visual voicemail in your phone settings or carrier app. This feature displays voicemail messages in a visual list you can access without calling voicemail. Step 5. Grant necessary permissions for visual voicemail to function properly. Allow the voicemail app to access notifications, phone, and other required features when prompted. Step 6. Customize voicemail to text settings if your carrier offers transcription. This feature converts voice messages to text so you can read messages instead of listening. Step 7. Set up notifications for new voicemail messages. Configure alerts that inform you immediately when someone leaves a message so you don't miss important calls. Step 8. Test your voicemail by having someone leave a test message. Call your own number from another phone, leave a message, and verify you receive and can access it properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.